What's up everybody, I hope you all are doing great, and the topic of today's video is how to use Klaviyo for email marketing, complete Klaviyo tutorial. So here we are on klaviyo.com. This software provides us the opportunity to interact with our customers through emails. We can easily create like marketing campaigns. It's pretty easy. Let's click on sign up if you are new to this service, or we can just simply log in, and basically we'll come to this page. This is our dashboard here. Let's have a quick tour. In the left side there is a main navigation panel with home, campaigns, flows, sign up forms, audience, content, and analytics. So in the top of the screen also we can find the get started checklist. From this page we can easily start setting our account. So the first step we need to do is just to connect our Shopify account, turn on website tracking, import your contacts, and build your brand library. And the last step is invite your team if you have a team. From the home page, basically we can easily find all these stats like conversion metrics, top performing flows, recent campaigns, and so on. Also we can add some more dashboards here. From the campaigns area we can manage all the campaigns, create new one, manage the old one, and so on. On the flows area we can create some rules, create some email series. So this is a way basically of how can we interact with our customers in a little bit more difficult way. We also can create like sign up forms. As you can see, there are a lot of templates we can easily use. On the audience area we can interact with lists and segments of our customers, so we can divide them into different groups to make it easier to interact with them. On the content we can find a lot of templates for our newsletters, for our letters as an email. We also have a lot of product pages, and on the analytics, the last page here, we can find a lot of stats, basically the same thing, a lot of overviews about campaigns and so on. So let's try to create a new campaign from this page to show how will it perform. So firstly, we need to go to campaign folder and then just click on create a campaign right up here. So the next thing we need to do is just to set up the campaign name. Let it be like campaign 2. We already have like campaign 1. The date should be, for example, like 24th of May. And the type, we have like 3 types: email, setup, SMS, and push. So basically we can use an email campaign, and then just click on save and continue. So now all we need to do is just to choose the recipients whom we would like to send our basically messages to. So I'm going to use the engage for last 30 days, and we can also choose the don't send to list if it's necessary. So also I'm going to click on track. So I want to track all this stuff, including tracking parameters. So let it be. And customize tracking parameters also. So let's try to basically view all these stats. So I'm going to click on continue to content. And now from this page, we can choose how would you like to design our email. We have like drag and drop, text only, or HTML. And we can also choose the subtitle tags. So let it be like welcome letter. And the preview text, let it be like thank for sub. For example, if you are going to send it to our subscribers. Sender name, yes, mine. And the sender email, yes, let it be mine. Continue to review. And now we need to click on drag and drop. So basically I'm going to use this one here because we have a lot of easily customizable templates we can customize. And I think it's enough to start with this one. Of course, in the future, we can easily create the HTML code for our emails. But in this case, I think it's enough to use this one here. So I'm going to find something which is suitable as for me. And I think that I'd like to use this part here. So like for sale something. So let's click on use template, and we'll come to our editor. Basically from this page here we can easily interact with our content inside, and as you can see this email contains from different sections, this section, this section, this section here, and it's pretty easy to interact with every single part. So we can, for example, click on this keyboard image and then we can click on replace. So now we can easily try to find something on our computer, or we can like even import it from the Unsplash or from other stocks. And the same way we can easily interact with this tag, so we can replace it right up here. For example, we can easily write like thank you for subscription, something like this. So let it be like just a thank you, and then we can replace this text. As you can see, we can easily highlight the text. We can make it bold, italic, underlined. There are a lot of options we can change. We can change the color, we can change some background color, borders, and so on. So a lot of parameters are customizable here, and in this case we can interact with every single element. For example, with these like button, so we have like text, for example, like view channel, something like this. We can add the URL, for example, for our YouTube channel. We can change the color, so I'm going to use red, for example, or maybe like this stuff here. Also, we can change the corner radius, border, drop shadow, and do some other stuff. So this is the easiest way of how can we customize this stuff. We can delete elements, we can add elements. So if you're going to delete, I'll just delete this image here. So in order to add the content, we can just simply add it from this page here. So if you click somewhere instead of some parameters, we can add it right up here. So we're going to paste the text, we can add the image here. So basically it will be placed here. So now we can browse it from our computer or import through URL. So the steps are quite basically simple. Now we can just simply click on save and exit, and everything is done. Of course, you'll have to set up it by your own, but this is just an example of how can we create just the email marketing campaign. So let's click on continue to review, and now our campaign looks like this. So every step was successfully done. So basically we have only one possible email content issue. We found one block in your email. It's about we didn't like add the image inside of the image block. So let's click on schedule or send, and from this page here we can manage, do we want to send now or we can schedule. So I'm going to click on send now, and now our campaign was successfully sent. Basically now we can manage all these tasks from the campaign area. Now we can find the open rate, click rate, active on, and so on. And if you're going to discover the paid plans of Klaviyo, we can find that we have like free version, email for $45 per month, and the email plus SMS $60 per month. And the price depends on the number of our subscribers. The more subscribers we have, the higher price will be. So this is a way of how can we use Klaviyo for email marketing. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.